Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I will be telling about how to provide the bar group in the reinforcement. That is, suppose as I have shown here that I have created a beam. Let me press Ctrl 4. As you can see here, there are the two beams present here. Suppose I will be creating here in this beam, and but for creating that, before creating, let me press Ctrl 1 for the wireframe view. As in the wireframe view, suppose I need to create a rebar by the help of bar group, then the main thing you need to do is you have to go to this rebar. And in my previous video I have told about creating the rebars by crossing, by longitudinal, by face, by guidelines. Even in more, there are by point input, by rebar placing. Okay, so as in this video I will be telling about how to create the rebar by the bar group. So you need to go to this bar group, and as you can see here, the bar group is present here. You need to simply click in this bar group. After clicking in this bar group, now you have to select the shape of the bar. Suppose I will be creating the bar group of this shape. This is the first shape, then this one is the second shape. Suppose this one is the third shape. These three shape I have created. That means the stirrups will look in this three sides. After that, click the middle mouse button. After that, select the length from where to where it will. This is the starting point of the beam, and this is the end point of the beam. After that, as you can see here, this stirrup is having the three sides, first, second and third. Upper portion is not present, and from the end finish starting point to the end point, the reinforcements will be present here. After that, right click and interrupt. So as you can see here, this is how we can create reinforcements by the bar group. Now after that, you can simply double click in this bars reinforcements. After double clicking in this reinforcement, you can select the rebar group type, that is normal, whether normal or tapered or ridge, tapered or tapered, curved, tapered and or spiral. So it can be of any shape, and hook type. As you can see here, these are the hooks present. What kind of hooks are required? Suppose I will be providing here 180-degree hook. After providing 180-degree group modified, as you can see here, the 180-degree hooks are being provided on both the side, in this side as well as in this sides. And for showing in this sides, let me rotate it. After rotating it, as you can see here, the hooks are actually provided on only the one side, in this side only, not in this side. So this is how we can provide the hook. Suppose I will click it here again. After providing, I will provide the hooks on the same in this side also. Suppose I will provide 90-degree hooks here. So this is how I can modify on either side. Here I provided the 90-degree hooks, here I provided the 180-degree hook. On the side in which you need to change, suppose I need to change in this side, then I will provide the hook of custom hook, modify it. Okay, so this is how we can modify it. 135-degree, this is how we can modify it. So in this manner we can modify in any side. So this one is at the hook at the start, and this one is hook at the end. Simply select, this one is the hook at the starting point. Sorry, this one is the hook at the starting point, and this one is the hook at the end point. For that, if you want to select to 190-degree, modify it, this one will become 190. For this one, you need to change here again 90-degree, modify it. So this is how we can change the hook as well as the shape of the reinforcement, such as stirrups here provided here. Let me delete this stirrups. Suppose I need to create again of another shape. Select here bar group. Suppose after creating, simply select the beam. After that, if I will create here only two sides from here to here. After that, click the middle mouse button, then after that select the length of the beam from here to here. As you can see here, now the reinforcements are being created. After that, hook you can simply change it. No hook, no hook. It will become straight on both the ends. Select it, no hook, no hook, modify. See, now the hooks will be removed on both the. This is how we can provide the bar groups. That is, we can provide the reinforcement by the help of bar group option. After that again delete it. Now I will show you how to create. Similarly, if you want to create the reinforcements in a circular beam, suppose let me create this one as the circular beam. For beam, select the beam and provide here the radius. As you can see here, the radius 200 mm. Modify it. As I provided here the reinforcement, now this is the beam. Here I need to provide the beam. Go to the rebar. After that, bar splice curved beam. After that, need to select the curved beam. In this curved beam, provide it. Select first side, then second side. After that, left click it. After that, left click it. After left clicking it, you need to pick the 2 points. So suppose this is the first point, then this is the second point. So this is how the reinforcements will be created, as you can see here. So this is how the reinforcements will be created. If you simply again press the escape button. Similarly, after that, right click it. So this is how we will create the bar groups. After that, I will in this video I will show you that how to go to the, let me show you that how to create the group and ungroup, because this one is very important. So let me do one thing. Let me simply in this beam, let me go to the rebar and create the groups by bar group. Suppose I will be creating first select the beam. After that, select these are the, suppose I will be creating the 4 sides. After that, left mouse middle button. After pressing the mouse middle button, select from here to here. So these are the various reinforcement. And now right click and interrupt. After that, as you can see here, there are various reinforcement, but all are in a grouped manner. So what you will do is you simply go to group, means if I will select any member, any reinforcement, all the reinforcement will be selected at once. Suppose I will go to edit and I will press ungroup and click here. Now as you can see here, now right click interrupt. Now you can see here, you can select individually each and every reinforcements or stirrups. See, you can delete if you want. You can select any one member and you can delete it. This is how. But suppose as I have deleted one member, suppose I want to again group it, then what you will do is you simply go to edit and group, click on group. After that, select 1 2 3 4, how many members you want to group, you can group it and click the mouse middle button. After that, you can see here, this is how. After that, right click, and if you click one, see here, now I have provided all these 5 reinforcements to one group. So this is how we can do the grouping as well as ungrouping of the reinforcements. So hope it's clear to all that how to create the rebar by bar group as well as how to do the grouping and ungrouping of the reinforcements. So if there is any kind of doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section, and in my next video even I will show you how to do the rebar splicing of the rebar. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it, and have a good day.